Now let's look at the examples. Example 1. Where is it? At Nyore. Now, if you look at this sentence, the question mark is inside the quotation mark, showing that it is the speech that is being quoted directly that is a question, not the whole sentence. Well, let's look at another now that is not, that is the whole speech is what is a question. Who said you are stupid? Now this is the point I'm making. If you look at this question mark, it's not inside the quotation mark, the closing quotation mark. The reason is that it is the speech that is quoted directly, you are stupid, is actually a statement. But the person who is talking now is asking a question. So it is the whole sentence that is a question. Who said you are stupid? So the question mark comes outside the quotation mark, the closing quotation mark, not inside it. It will come outside the closing quotation mark. That is the point. So let's look at an example for the exclamation mark. Sit down, ordered the teacher. Sit down, ordered the teacher. If you look at this, the sentence that is quoted, the speech that is quoted directly is an exclamation. And so you put the exclamation mark within or inside the closing quotation mark, not at the end of the sentence. But we can't have a situation where the entire sentence will be an exclamation, and then it means the exclamation mark will come outside the quotation mark. Let's see an example to illustrate. Now, what this means is that it is no thank you, it's not an exclamation. It wasn't said in an exclamatory manner. No thank you. That is not what was said. What was said was no thank you. But the person who is making this is explaining that probably wondering or is impressed with when the person said no thank you. And so he makes the entire sentence an exclamation. It was amazing when she said no thank you. So the entire sentence becomes an exclamation, not the speech that is quoted directly. That is the point. So we need to know the rules guiding where to place your question mark, your exclamation mark. It can be inside the closing quotation mark, and it can also be outside the closing quotation mark. You will only need to know whether the speech that is quoted directly is a question or an exclamation, then you place it inside the quotation mark. But if it's the entire sentence that is a question or exclamation, then you place your question mark or exclamation outside the closing quotation mark.